Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Last week, if you remember, we have started a new topic multiplication, and today we will do the topic of multiplication, that is let's multiply 6. Bunny is jumping in 6. If you look at your book, maths book, this topic is given on page number 57. And I have also given you the topic in your booklet on page number 36. You see here, Bunny is jumping in 6. It means you'll have to fill in the blanks with a difference of 6, or you have to write the table of 6. Question is, you can see it is also given with the help of a number line, so you can do it very easily with the help of a number line. Counting number line, you see a number line, it's counting in 6. So 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, it's counting in 6, or you can say it's a table of 6, so our 6 times table. Number 1 is question, count in 6 and fill in the missing numbers. You have to count in 6 and fill in the missing numbers. First one is 0. You are starting with 0, so the next number would be, it's counting in 6, so definitely it would be 6. Then the second number would be 12, 18 is given, then 24, 30, 36 and 42 is given. B part is, it is starting with 24, so the next number would be 30. 24 plus 6 equals to 30, so then 30 plus 6 it would be 40, 30 plus 6 it would be 36. Then 36 plus 6, 42, 48, 54, 60. C part is, it starts from 12, then the next number will be 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and 54. Next one is, let's multiply 7s. Bunny is jumping in 7s. You see number line, it's counting in 7s, so or you can say it's a 7 times table. Question is, count in 7s and fill in the missing numbers. So you see, first A, it starts with 7, next number would be 14, 21, 18, 28 is given, then 35, 42 and 49. B part, it starts from 0, so the next number would be 7, 14, 21, 28 and one blank is missing, that would be 35 and then 42. C is 21, 28, then 35, 42, 49 and 56. So it's a 7 times table, are counting in 7s. Next is, let's multiply 8s. Bunny is jumping in 8s, counting in 8s, or it's a 8 times table, or table of 8. Count in 8s and fill in the missing numbers. You can take help from this number line. So A part is, it starts from 8, next number would be 16, 24, 32 is given, then 40, 48 and 56 is given. B part is, it starts from 0, then you will write 8, 16, 24 is given, 32, 40, 48 and 56 is given. C part is, it starts from 16, So you know 2 times 8 equals to 16. So 3 times 8 equals to 24. Then 4 times 8 equals to 32. 5 times 8 equals to 40. 6 times 8 equals to 48. 7 times 8 equals to 56, and 8 times 8 equals to 64. So you have to write the 8 times table. Then next is let's multiply nines. Bunny is jumping in nines, or you have to write the 9 times table or the table of 9. You can take help from the number line. You see it is starting, number line starts from 0. So your first A part is 0, then next number would be 9, 18, 27 is given, then would be 36, 45, 54 is given, and next number would be 63. B part is 9, next number would be 18, 27, 36, 45 is given, then 54, 63, 72 is again given. C part is 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72 and 81. If you see in your book on page number on page number 67, there is a topic multiplication by 0. I have given you this topic in your booklet on page number 38. Multiplication by 0. This is, remember, 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Example is, if you multiply 0 by 4, the answer would be 0. Similarly, if you multiply 4 by 0, the answer would be 0. So in both cases your answer would be 0. Now you have to complete these. 0 multiplied by 4 equals to 0. So all the answers would be 0. You have noticed, do page number 66, 67, 68, 69 given in your textbook. You have to solve the pages 66, 67, 68, 69 in your textbook. Then next topic is multiplication, converting ones, converting tens. This is example. I will explain it with the help of an example. You see in this example the number given is 262, and you have to multiply this number by 3. First multiply, you will have to start from ones. First multiply the ones with the multiplier. Here the multiplier is 3. So no conversion needed. You know 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. You will write 6. In the next step, multiply the tens with the multiplier. Here the tens are 6. So 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 18. So here there are too many tens. So convert 10 tens into 100. First you will write, in the answer 3 6 are 18. So you will write 8 in tens and you will convert 10 tens into 100 and you will carry the 1 to the hundreds. Next is you have to multiply the multiplier by 100, and in hundreds you know there is 2, so 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 7, but 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6, but you have to add the one which is carried to hundreds, so 6 plus 1 equals to 7. The answer would be 786. I have given you the exercise of this on this topic in your booklet on page number 39 and 40. Here you see in this video the first question is given, complete these, one has been done for you. In this you see number is 161 and the multiplier is 6. When you have to start from ones, when you multiply 6 by 1 you will get 6. Then you have to multiply the tens by multiplier. In tens you have 6, so 6 multiplied by 6 equals to 36. So you will write 6 here and will carry 3 tens to the 200s. In hundreds you have 1, so 6 ones are 6 plus 3 which is carried to hundreds, so this is 9. Your answer would be 966. You have to solve the remaining questions in the same way with the help of these solved examples. Thank you.